Ucha, I'm about to show y'all some natural remedies to keep fleas and ticks off of your dogs. Let's go. You want to get yourself a spray bottle, and we have this one because we got plants, and you can use any type of spray bottle, and we're gonna use this one right now. So how you use this one is you pump it, put pressure. Before we go outside to see Woo and Katara, let's stop by and see the chicks. Help us name them. You want to get yourself some apple cider vinegar, and so I put a lot of water in here, and so you got to put the ratio based on your needs. It's a couple drips, not too much. On your puppies, make sure they're doing good. What's up, Woo Woo? What's up, buddy? And so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna spray the dogs with this apple cider vinegar, and I want to make sure that I get it onto their skin, so I got to get up underneath their coat. And the last thing that you can do is you can put a little apple cider vinegar in their water.